And welcome back to another video. This is Crypto Coins, and in this video we're gonna go over my 1% trading bot. It's been exactly 14 days, 2 weeks, and the results are in. Today marks 2 weeks of running the 1% bot. In 14 days I've made 10% returns. I invested $1,000 in this bot, and after 14 days I profited $99.17, just a few cents shy from $100. I made 10%. The bot is extremely consistent. I now added more money into my bot account and I am making $100 per day. Today's profit is $110. So this is the summary of my bot that marks 2 weeks. I made $100 on a $1,000 investment. And here's a screenshot of today's profits. I made $110 with my trading bots. So if we take a look at my spreadsheet, if you guys are following my positions, my Joe position was losing me money. I was farming and staking my Joe position. I averaged into it, and fortunately enough, I didn't lose as much as I should have because I was dollar cost averaging into the position. We had a pullback. I decided I was going to sell Joe, and I sold Joe yesterday. The original investment of my Joe position was $1,981, and I closed it for a loss of $584. I was invested in that position for about a month. It didn't work out, and I just took it in for a loss because I wanted this additional buying power. And the buying power I was able to salvage was $1,397. If we look down here, I have multiple bots based on my 1% strategy running right now. I have invested $6,000 into my bots, and I've profited $272 as of right now on my bots. That's a 4.5% return there. And I've been very pleased with this bot. It's encouraging me to actually close some of my other investments and moving it to my 1% trading bot account. The reason is the bot generates more or less 5% returns in a week, and those returns compound over time. So it doesn't seem like a lot, but that is huge at the end of a year. So far, it's been smooth. I'm sure there's going to be some bumpy roads in between, but the bot is configured to withstand any market conditions. In the course, I show some workarounds in different situations. Yes, I took a haircut here with the Joe position, but as you can see, I made $100 since the time I sold that position and added it into my bots. Now, given I have a lot more buying power in there. So in no time, I'm gonna recoup that money, and I know what the bots are doing. I have more control. I feel confident with the strategy and the things that I'm doing. I have total control. Now, by staking and having it on Joe, I have no control. I'm at the helm of Joe wherever it's trading. So yes, I took a haircut. It's not looking good, but the money got reallocated and making me money already on my 1% trading bot. Let's take a look at my 1% trading bot. So today marks exactly 2 weeks, 14 days since the beginning of me running this bot, and it's been very consistent. I've added some profits here and compounded the buying power of the bot just once recently, and we're still getting similar performance. But over time, this will gradually increase. And as you can see, the first day I profited $6.21. The second day I was up $12.77, so on and so forth. I ended here today 2 weeks exactly at 99.26. I know I posted on my YouTube channel 99.10, but it made an additional trade right before the day ends. And the day starts and the day ends at 4 p.m. Pacific time. So that's how the days are calculated for these crypto investments. So you can see I basically made 10%, and this is the performance of the bot. I will continue to make updates about my bot trading and my 1% bot. Links under the description of this video if you want a copy of the bot. I have a full course, how to set it up, how to manage the bot, and optimizing the bot for best performance. A lot of great things in this course if you're interested. And that's how I'm doing after 2 weeks. I probably won't make another video until it's been 4 weeks, 1 month. and will continue to track the position of my bot. So far, extremely pleased, and I like the consistency. Although it doesn't seem like a lot, it is consistent and it compounds. Over time, it will beat a lot of my alternative positions. I've been motivated to move a lot more money into this bot, so I might be adding even more money over time into this bot. As of now, since I added more money to my bot, I'm now generating about $100 a day on a $6,000 investment. So it is capital intensive, but either way, that is a phenomenal return. Phenomenal. So that's pretty much going to do it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video or found it of any value, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. Link for this bot down below. Also Discord is free, and Patreon to support my channel. I appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.